Foden. That's a promising run he's making on the right. And it's Belletti.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Into the box. Heads it!
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Couple of decent early chances. It bodes well for an exciting game. Now it's Mbappe. Well, that's been cut out, well played. Costa Curta. It's Kimmich. Foden. Fiddles it through. He is through here! And he can clear it away. Played out to the right. The referee's awarded a free kick. Belletti. Over to the other side. Now it's Stoichkov. Aimed beyond the defence. And he's managed to get free. And he gets rid in a hurry. And they're quick to get it back. Guardiola. And here's Son Heung-min. And here's Stoichkov. Neymar. Neymar goes steaming forward. Messi. Kimmich did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Well seen, saw that coming.
That was well played, well stopped.
He's looking to set free a runner. And he's there to belt it away. That'll be a throw. Son Heung-min goes pelting down that left-hand side. Looking for the run. So it is still 0-0. Barcelona are looking to break at pace. Cuadrado in acres of space out wide. In with a header! He will be livid with himself. Short changes him with that pass. Brilliantly cut out. Cleared without complication.
I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply.
This is good pressing, they're not short on bodies. Guardiola did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Quality ball. Spread neatly. And a header! And the ball, oh, it's fallen kindly here! Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Can he stop it going out? Mbappe does really well to win the ball there. Now here's the delivery. Costa Curta tries to clear. Foden. Oh, facing up to his adversary, this is a formidable matchup. Nice ball, and he might be... Nunez! And he's done it!
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
The goal scorer after 32 minutes is number 21, Darwin Núñez. Darwin Núñez. Darwin Núñez.
So the first moment of real significance.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
Mbappe! And they've got rid. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. 1-0 the score. Son Heung-min. He steps in, and that's the end of that. And here's Nunez. That has been slung wide. Cross deflected behind for a corner. Liverpool with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. Guardiola goes short. It's Guardiola. It's run loose here.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but...
Header! A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Now it's Cuadrado. Can he spark a counter here? Interesting ball. Neymar. That's really well cleared. Triol. And he was quick to react. And he's cleared it out of harm's way. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. Guardiola. And no, that was never going to make it. It's Kimmich. Darwin. Spread it left. He's got away. Bellingham. Rodri. Now Mbappe. Messi. And he thumps it clear. Oh, he's done very well to take that back. Belletti. He has found a way through. Van Dijk gets it away.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Threads one in. And the whistle goes for half-time. So there we are, half-time. Both teams head into their respective dressing room. And while there was a genuine flow about the game, most importantly, there has been just one telling moment. It is still very tight here. The game still up for grabs. And the half-time score, 1-0. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Peter, this is far from a lost cause. Yes, they've been hit once by a pacey opposition, but they've asserted more control and look capable.
Liverpool go in at half-time with a slender one-goal lead. And hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half.
Well, if you're ahead, it's a good time to start moving the ball quicker, Peter. Entice your opponents out. See if you can open them up a bit more.
Guardiola. He's in plenty of space here. And here's Foden. Foden. And it's Belletti. Good spot, he's seen the run. Can he finish? He's got a goal! 2 up now, and they are cruising.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Liverpool are doing very nicely, thank you.
Well, with this kind of authority, Peter, why not push on and totally kill this off?
The message is clear, none shall pass. He's looking wide. Oh, that's fabulous. And he's in on goal, has a goal! And it's there! And the lead is extended still further.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
A case now of complete control.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here. Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
That's a little off target.
Cuadrado really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
That has been knocked clear. Gets his pass away. Oh, it's a sweet ball, that. And he's intervened well there. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Guardiola promptly onto that, and that is that. And here's Nunez. Nunez! Oh, that's a waste.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break. How many interceptions have we seen now? Someone's got to up the quality and set an example.
Mbappe, good driving run, and he was alert to it. Well, already game, set and match, or so it feels. Played into space out wide. Bellingham.
The attendance for this match
Barcelona are looking to play on the counter here, aren't they?
Well, I think it's pretty clear they've changed their shape, certainly when defending at least, because they've got to be ready to hit them hard on the counter-attack, and that seems to be the plan.
Neymar. Son Heung-min. Foden. Good Son Heung, and the shot! Lacking in accuracy.
Well, Peter, he clearly felt he was being invited to shoot, and it wasn't the worst decision he could have made.
Bellingham. Hernandez. Hernandez. Foden. Guardiola. And it's Guardiola. And it's Belletti. Oh, we expected better, and so did he. Costa Curta. And that's really well manoeuvred. Liverpool couldn't do a whole lot with it there. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. And that is expertly dealt with.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Neymar. Just no time to dwell on the ball there. Bellingham. Costa Curta. It's Belletti. Neymar finds himself offside.
Substitution
We have
on
got
the
changes
field.
here from both sides, in
Number
fact.
8, Number 7, Son Heung-min. Number 47, Phil Foden. Number 10, Number 2, Puyol.
Musiala
Number
pinches it off him.
13, Pep Guardiola.
Shifted
Coming on the
upfield.
field, Number 4,
Rodri
Erling Haaland.
spread out to the
Number
left.
9,
Now it's Kostic.
Mbappe. Number
And
18,
here's Musiala.
Neymar. Number 3, Franz Beckenbauer.
That defending is
Number
unapologetically
5,
persistent.
number
It's almost
16,
personal.
Rodri.
And it had to be.
Substitution.
And it's Belletti. Nicely weighted ball. He's shifting through the gears here. Tries a shot! A whisker away from making it 4.
Well, we were anticipating this. They're very much set up for the counter-attack, and I don't see it changing anytime soon. Well, look, they know they've got a height advantage, and it's time for them to use it.
There will be a throw-in. And here's it's Neymar! Oh, brilliant save! Belletti, and that interception was most necessary.
He read that really well and stopped it.
And that's gone loose. He'll try to keep this alive. Musiala.
A lot of space here, a real opportunity.
He's found a way through. Good challenge, excellent challenge. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. He's picked his way through. Hits one! They've scored! It is no contest. It is a landslide. As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Neymar really can't believe his luck. He was allowed so much room when he should have been boxed in.
And very quickly, the substitute made his mark.
That's just as the manager would have seen it, an impact sub.
Real chance! In he goes again. They've done it! Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Well, listen, last line of defence and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
They're still trying to make a game of this. And that's been intercepted.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Messi. That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Kimmich. Now it's Mbappe. Now it's Neymar. Big chance! He scores! Really tidily gathered, and ultimately a more than tidy finish.
Yeah, it's simply tragic defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
Liverpool are having a ball here. Costa Curta makes the interception. And that's put paid to a promising move. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Messi! It's a goal! Terrible error, duly punished. Barcelona grab a goal, but it's hard to see it as anything much more than a consolation. Aim forwards. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, shooting chance! And it's in!
What about the pass, Peter? It was played so intelligently and he picked out the perfect target.
he's done it again. He's got his second. Liverpool are at the peak of their powers. As for their opponents, a long way from that. And the counter-attack is on for Barcelona. Oh, they could be caught out here. Messi gets flagged offside. And he cuts out the supply. Looking for the runner. Oh, super find. And time is up. Liverpool looking by any yardstick formidable. Truly enjoyable to watch and clearly so together. That was a terrific day for them. Darwin claiming the Man of the Match award. And there is very little room for argument. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
I think we just saw a team winning